In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive an agenda email in Outlook. If you want a simple daily summary of what's on your calendar delivered straight to your inbox, this will get you set up quickly and reliably. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search engine. Type Outlook into the search bar, then select the official Outlook site from Microsoft. If you're prompted to sign in, use the account where your calendar lives so the summary pulls the right events. We'll be working in Outlook on the web because that's where the setting lives for most users. Once Outlook loads, look to the top right corner of the screen for the small gear icon. That gear opens the Settings panel. Click it to open your settings. A panel will slide in from the side, and you'll see several categories. Choose Calendar to view calendar-specific settings. If you don't immediately see Calendar, there's a search box in the Settings panel. Typing Calendar, there will bring it up quickly. Inside the Calendar settings, find the option labeled Agenda Mail. Go ahead and select it. This is the feature that sends you a daily email with a concise list of your upcoming events, meetings, and reminders, so you can start your day with a clear plan. On the Agenda Mail page, you'll see a toggle switch. Click the toggle to turn Agenda emails on. When it's on, Outlook will prepare a daily digest based on your calendar items. This can be especially helpful if you juggle multiple calendars, need a quick morning snapshot, or prefer to keep your day organized from your inbox rather than opening the calendar first thing. After turning the toggle on, look for the Save button and click it to apply your changes. Saving is important. If you close the settings without saving, the feature won't activate. Once saved, you're all set. You can close the Settings panel and continue using Outlook as usual. From here, watch your inbox. Typically, your first agenda email will arrive the next morning with a summary of the day's events. If you don't see it, check your junk or spam folder and make sure you're checking the inbox for the account you enabled. If your organization manages your account, note that some administrative settings can affect whether agenda emails are available. That's it. You've enabled Agenda Mail in Outlook and ensured your changes are saved. If you ever want to turn it off, you can return to the same Agenda Mail setting, switch the toggle off, and save again.